Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most exciting and emotional releases in recent muscle car history, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS 454. This car is not just another Camaro update, it's a tribute to raw American power, classic performance DNA, and pure driving excitement, all wrapped into a modern package that pays homage to the golden era of muscle cars. The 2026 Camaro SS 454 immediately grabs your attention with its aggressive yet familiar styling. The front end is wide and dominant, featuring a bold new grille design that pays tribute to classic Camaros while integrating modern aerodynamics. Sharp LED headlights flank the grille, their slim profile giving the front a menacing stare. Functional hood scoops add not just drama but also help with cooling the massive engine underneath. As you move to the side, the Camaro's signature long hood and short rear deck proportions are proudly preserved, but with more pronounced fender flares that house wider performance tires. The bodywork has been slightly refined for better airflow, with subtle sculpting along the sides that help the car look planted even at a standstill. Around back, the aggressive theme continues with smoked LED taillights, a chunky rear diffuser, quad exhaust outlets, and a subtle yet effective rear spoiler to improve downforce at high speeds. The presence of the SS 454 badge serves as a powerful reminder that this isn't just any Camaro, it's something truly special. Stepping into the cabin, you are met with a mix of nostalgia and modern performance luxury. The seats are heavily bolstered Recaro units wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara, designed to keep you firmly in place during spirited driving. The dashboard features a clean layout, dominated by a digital instrument cluster that can be customized to show performance data, navigation, or traditional gauges, depending on your mood. In the center, an upgraded touchscreen infotainment system handles all your connectivity needs, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a premium audio system, and integrated performance apps that can record lap times, G-forces, and even drag strip data. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels thick and substantial in your hands, featuring aluminum paddle shifters even though most purists will prefer the beautifully crafted 6-speed manual transmission shifter sitting proudly in the center console. Every material feels chosen with care, from the brushed aluminum accents to the contrast stitching that runs across the dashboard and door panels. At the heart of the 2026 Camaro SS 454 is its crown jewel, a massive 7.4-liter 454 cubic inch V8 engine. This monster produces an estimated 650 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque, delivering brutal acceleration and an intoxicating exhaust note that harkens back to the golden days of big block muscle. Paired exclusively with a 6-speed manual transmission, it offers an authentic, visceral driving experience that few modern cars can replicate. The clutch is heavy but manageable, and every shift feels mechanical and satisfying. Stomping on the throttle launches the car from 0 to 60 mph in just about 3.9 seconds, while the quarter mile is dispatched in the low 12-second range. But the Camaro SS 454 isn't just about straight-line speed. Thanks to a fully reworked suspension setup with adaptive dampers, stiffer springs, and upgraded sway bars, this muscle car feels surprisingly composed through corners. Brembo performance brakes ensure stopping power is just as impressive as the acceleration, while sticky performance tires give it the grip needed to handle twisty back roads and track days. The steering is tight and communicative, providing real feedback through the wheel, making it a genuine joy to push hard. Drive modes allow you to tailor the car's responses, from a comfortable cruising setup to an aggressive track-ready beast at the touch of a button. Despite its raw performance focus, the 2026 Camaro SS 454 doesn't skimp on modern driver aids and safety features. It comes with forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and a head-up display, ensuring that while you're enjoying all that power, you're also protected by the latest technology. Pricing for the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS 454 reflects its special status, starting around $78,000 and potentially climbing higher with options. It's being produced in limited numbers, making it not just a fantastic driver's car, but also a future collectible. Chevrolet clearly designed this Camaro to be a love letter to enthusiasts who crave a pure, unfiltered driving experience. one that's becoming rarer in today's world of electrification and automation. The 2026 Camaro SS 454 is a powerful reminder of why we fell in love with muscle cars in the first place. It combines stunning good looks, monstrous performance, modern tech, and an authentic driving experience that no electric vehicle or turbocharged four-cylinder can replicate. It's loud, it's unapologetic, and it's absolutely glorious. Thanks for sticking around for this in-depth review of the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS 454. If you liked what you heard today, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more pure car enthusiast content, and tell me in the comments, would you choose the manual or stick with an automatic if it were available? Until next time, keep the spirit of driving alive.